Anthropic just released Claude Cowork for mobile, and this is probably the biggest feature request that I've seen when it comes to Claude Cowork. On top of that, they made a couple of big changes to the desktop app as well as the web app. So in this video, I'm going to break this all down for you. I'm going to test out Cowork Mobile so you could see if it's actually capable. And by the end of this video, you'll get a sense of what you could do with it. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Now, first of all, here is the announcement post that Anthropic made on Twitter just a couple of hours ago. It says Claude Cowork is coming to mobile and web. Hand Claude a task at your desk and pick up the finished work from your phone, close the laptop, and Claude keeps going, which is a really big update, which we did not have before. Before, if we were to use Claude Cowork in dispatch mode, for example, our computer would have to stay open in order for Claude to continue and run those tasks. Well, now that is not the case. And yes, according to Anthropic, this also is the case for scheduled tasks. So if you have specific scheduled tasks that are running that you used to have your computer open for, that is no longer the case and they could run when it's closed. Now, next up, if I hop into the Claude desktop app, we're going to see a couple of key changes here. You can now see on the left-hand side, we have two modes to toggle between. We have home and we have code. Before, we had chat, we had Cowork in the middle, and then we had Claude Code. But now they basically cut down our options to just two. And if I click on home, we could toggle between either chat mode or Cowork directly right here inside of the text box. To me personally, I'm not sure exactly how I feel about this. After playing around with this a little bit myself, I would rather having a separate ecosystem for Claude Cowork instead of them being together. So if I click on chat, you can see it's basically just like the normal Claude that we're used to. If I click on Cowork, we could pull up different projects and the different folders that we work inside of. And then we could see all of our active tasks that we have Cowork doing on top of our scheduled tasks that are running. Next thing I do want to point out is that we get 2x more usage until August 5th inside of Cowork. This is something that Anthropic just released. So if you do want to test this out, you're going to be able to push it to the limits a bit more. Now, if I come here and search for Claude.ai, we can now access Cowork directly inside of the web app. So we no longer need to be using this inside of the Claude desktop app, which we had to use before. So just like the desktop app, we're going to see a new user interface here. We have the home button as well as Claude Code button. We're going to click on home, and then right here we have the option to toggle between chat mode and Cowork mode. So let me toggle on Cowork. And this is going to look very similar to the desktop app in terms of the interface of Cowork. There's a couple things that you need to know. So first of all, we select the project or the specific folder that we want to work inside of. And you know what? I had to do a double take because as I'm filming this video, I went here and I'm trying to select a specific folder to work inside of on my desktop, which is one of the main reasons why we use Claude Cowork, because it can manipulate and generate files inside of our folders on our computer. But when I come here, there's no way for me to select a folder, which I'm pretty confused by. So if I come back to the Claude release post that they posted on Twitter and I zoom in here, you could see that they're using the Claude.ai platform inside of the browser, just like I'm doing right here. But it shows that you can select a project or a folder, but I'm not seeing that inside of this interface inside of my account. So I'm not sure if this is an issue that just I'm running into or if other people are going to run into it. So maybe leave a comment if you're also seeing this same thing, because it kind of defeats the purpose of using Claude Cowork if we can't work inside of the folders. But maybe I just haven't been able to figure that out yet, so I could be completely wrong. Now let's move on to the best part where I'm going to show you how to use this on the mobile app, and I'm going to set it up right now. All right, so on my phone, what I'm going to do is just click on the Claude mobile app right here. So if I pull this up, this is what we're going to see. We obviously have chat mode. And if I go over to the left sidebar, we can now see we have a Cowork mode right underneath dispatch. So I'm going to go ahead and select that now. For me personally, I have a couple of different tasks that I tested before this video, but this is what we're going to see. We're going to see all of these tasks that we've ran not only on our mobile app, but also on the web app as well. A couple of different things. I'm going to do a quick little tour of how this works. So if I come up on the top right, you could see this little clock icon. This is all of our scheduled task runs for scheduled tasks that we've set up. So for me personally, I ran a couple right here. I have my daily YouTube competitor analysis, which is running right now as we speak. And then I ran my morning briefing skill right here. And inside of this task, I could go and click on this HTML that shows my morning briefing, basically breaking down my main focuses, shows everything that's on my schedule today, and it shows my email inbox as well as the top top AI news for me to review for the day. Now, this is all great. This is a skill that I have that runs inside of Claude Cowork. I originally had this built on the desktop app, but now I can see this directly on my phone, which is really great. Now, coming back to the desktop app, I want to show you something really quickly. So all of those tasks or conversations that we were running from my mobile device, we can see inside of the web app as well. So we have my morning briefing scheduled task, my video repurposing task, YouTube competitor analysis. So for example, I could click on this morning briefing, click on this HTML, and this is the exact same output that I, obviously just showed you on my phone. So now whether we are working on our computer or from our phone, we could always access this information. Now, I personally have a couple of scheduled tasks that I'm running inside of Claude Cowork on the mobile and the web version. So if I come over here to where it says scheduled and I just click on these, you can now see I have my morning briefing as well as my daily YouTube competitor analysis, which now runs in the cloud. So if my computer is closed and I'm on the go and I want to view it on my phone, I could always view it there. Now, for both of these scheduled tasks that I personally have running, it's pulling from a couple of my different applications. So it's pulling from Gmail, it's using Firecrawl, it's scraping my Google Calendar in order to pull this information from my morning briefing and my daily YouTube competitor analysis. And one important thing here is that the mobile, the web app, and the desktop app all share connectors that we connect to our accounts. So for example, I have a couple of different ones connected, and in order to add a connector, you just click on Add Connectors, click Browse Connectors, and there are countless amounts of connectors that Anthropic gives you right here. Now, if there is an app that you want to use that you can't find in here, you can always use something like the Zapier MCP in order to connect to 9,000 plus different apps. So if you don't know what Zapier is an automation platform that allows you to perform actions across 9,000 different applications, and they have an MCP server you could plug Claude directly into. So for a lot of these different tasks I personally do inside of Claude, there isn't a natural connector inside of Claude, so I have to use a Zapier MCP. Now, for example, here's an MCP server I have Claude plugged into, and I have it connected to Beehive as well as to School. These are two platforms that I can't connect to inside of Claude. So now I'm able to access Beehive, which is my email marketing software, directly inside of Claude, but not only on the desktop app now, but I can reach this from my phone. So if you guys want to try this out, there is a link in the description to test it out yourself. Now, to give you another example of a task that I ran from my phone is this. I said, create an explainer infographic about how quantum physics works in a 5th grade level. And I actually have a specific skill that you could see right here that I built inside of Claude a couple of weeks ago that builds out infographic explainers just like this. And it used my connector Higgs field in order to generate this image. Automatically, I could go ahead and download this. I could make edits to it, etc. So now I kicked off this workflow from my phone that I could actually view either on the desktop app or the web app, as you could see here. Another example of that is I ran this content repurposing skill where I added one of my previous videos. From here, it builds a blog post, a newsletter, and a LinkedIn post all in my specific voices because right here I have skills for each of these individually. Now, what it did is it created these markdown files for me to copy and paste, and they're ready to be posted, as well as it generated this HTML breaking down everything I talked about in the video. So this is what I created from my phone that I could view on my computer now. All right, so let's quickly talk about how this works so you could understand it at a fundamental level. And then I'm going to talk about some of the really big caveats of this new Claude Cowork mobile feature, because it's not all sunshine and rainbows, and I'm not going to sit here and lie like it is. So the first thing that we need to understand is this now runs in the cloud. And you're probably like, what does the cloud even mean? So let me break it down very simply so anybody can understand. So this right here is our Claude account that runs in the cloud on the server. Now we have our remote session and we have our files inside of that remote session. We can now access these from the desktop app, the web app, and the mobile app like I've shown you so far in this video. Now, if that still doesn't make sense to you, think of Cowork like your Netflix account. And inside of that, we have our sessions and we have our files that we could view from each of these different platforms. Just like how you could watch a movie on Netflix on your TV and continue watching it right where you left off on your phone or your tablet. Now, let's dive a little bit deeper into this so you can understand this fully. So inside of our Anthropic cloud, we have a couple of different things. First, we have our session that we started on mobile, we have our session that we started on web, and we have our scheduled tasks that now run in the cloud. So if we are using the mobile app, all of this syncs directly to this server. But a really important thing is this can't see the desktop version's local session. And the same thing goes with the web app. All of this information from Anthropic's cloud now syncs to the web app. So we're able to see this information. Now, one of the main things that we really need to understand here, where it's not all sunshine and rainbows, is that the desktop app, we only get a one-way view. So let me explain what that means. Our desktop app runs locally. So we can work inside of folders and create files on our actual computer, but that doesn't mean that syncs to both the mobile app and the web app. So if you have something that you've been working on inside of the Cowork desktop app, you're not going to be able to see that in the mobile or web app. But what we can see is all of our cloud-based sessions. So if you kick off a session from your phone, you can see and work inside of that session on your desktop app. For example, if I come over to the desktop app and work inside of Cowork, you could see I could work inside of this YouTube video folder on my computer. But anything I do in this session, in this folder, I'm not going to be able to access on mobile or web. But with that being said, anything that I run on the web or the mobile app, I can see in the desktop app. So for example, this daily YouTube competitor analysis scheduled tasks that ran, I could pull this up. And this is something that I kicked off from the mobile app that I'm viewing in the desktop app. So hopefully you could understand exactly what I mean when I say Claude desktop app only has a one-way view. So there is quite a bit of limited capabilities that we have as of right now. All right, guys, there we have it. We have Claude Cowork for mobile. We have Cowork on the web app, as well as we have scheduled tasks that now run in the cloud. I'm going to keep testing this over the coming days, and I'm going to make some posts about it in my school community. So make sure to join if you want more information. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thanks for staying to the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.